Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Life Joyfully Done. I'm Jen and the kids are off doing other things, so it's just you and me for this DIY spooky pin board. We love to collect Disney pins as well as Destination Imagination pins. And well, it's October, so what better time to create our very own spooky Halloween pin board. I have already cut out all the items that I'm going to use. I've got my super duper crappy glue gun here. I hate this thing, but it's the only one we have, so I have to use it. I also have some craft fabric glue. Like I mentioned, I already cut out all the major portions of this pin board and we're gonna put them together. The first item here is the base that I cut out, and I cut it out of just some craft felt using my Cricut maker. I designed the entire pin board on Design Space for Cricut. So the first step is going to be putting on the heat transfer vinyl that I cut out. So I'm just gonna use my little cheat sheet here that I printed out for placement of each of the items so that I can hopefully get them in the right spot. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, not to lie, when it comes to this stuff. It really annoys me if it's not exactly right, so just bear with me. I'll probably fast forward a lot of this. Okay, I think I have it where I want it, and I'm going to go ahead and take it over to my heat press and let's see what happens. Be right back. All right, I think it came out pretty well. The window is starting to take shape. What I should have done while I was here before is put the face on the pumpkin before I took off, but I didn't. So we'll do that now, and I will go heat press it and come right back. Okay, I think the pumpkin also turned out pretty cute. Look at him. Super cute. Love it. All right, so I think the next step is going to be, yeah, I think that what we'll do is we will go ahead and place the pumpkin in the proper spot right at the top of the window here. Okay, so I made a mistake and put the heat transfer vinyl on the wrong side of the pumpkin. So the little stem on the top does not match up. Yeah, so I think the quickest fix for that is going to be just to trim the brown stem off and just let it be. Let it be, let it be. Oh goodness. That's killing me, by the way, because like I said, I like things to be perfect when it comes to the items that I make with my crafts, and yeah. Gonna grab some scissors. All right, I think this is looking pretty good. I'm going to attempt to use this. Ugh, I mean, can you see this? It leaks out the glue just sitting there. Like, do other people have problems with their glue gun like I do? Let me know down in the comments. And if you have a suggestion for a good glue gun, I would love to hear it. Please, please, please tell me down in the comments. This thing. Okay. So what I think I'm gonna do is put the hot glue on the base and then put the pumpkin on top and hopefully get it in the right spot. It's been sitting here leaking glue, so now it needs a new glue stick. Oh my gosh. Did I mention I hate this glue gun? Alrighty. So now I think we will add the window panes to the base of this window. I'm checking my cheat sheet because, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna glue them down. Wish me luck. Alright folks, look at that. Cute window Mickey Pumpkin pin board. I am going to do one last step and I'm going to glue it to this really thick cardstock to give it a little more, I don't know what you call, what is the word I'm looking for? I don't know the word. Anyways, to make it not flop around. Sturdy. Make it more sturdy. There we go. Oh my gosh, my brain today. Alright, so let's flip this over. And I'll have to make sure I get the right side of the paper so that it lines up with this properly. I think I'm gonna have to do it the other way around and put this on top of the backing because I don't want any of the paper to show through so that you see it when you're looking at the pin board. So let's do it this way instead. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a small line of glue on the very edge of this to start with, just so I can make sure I have it lined up properly. In fact, I think I might use this permanent fabric glue instead because I'm afraid if I use this and it's not placed right, I'll want to tear it off and it'll ruin everything. This I can reposition for a short time. And I hate that thing anyway. So I've never tried to glue paper to felt before with fabric glue. So if this ends up not sticking once it dries, I may have to use this anyway. So we'll see. And just real quickly, if you guys don't own a Cricut maker or a Cricut machine or any kind of paper cutting machine at home, this project might be a little difficult, but still doable. You might have to make some adjustments, but I bring it up because I did have to use 2 different pieces of paper for this because I only had 12 by 12 for the cardstock. The felt I had a very large amount of because I had purchased quite a bit when I was making some ears for a fellow YouTube channel, the Leffersons. I will link the video of the ears that I made for them up here as well as down in the description if you'd like to check that out. By the way, they just hit 10,000 subscribers. Congratulations, Garrett and Alyssa. As soon as this dries, I'm going to add some of our very favorite Halloween pins that we got recently. We got them from Hot Topic. They are some Loungefly Stitch Halloween pins, and we just love Stitch here, so perfect set to put on our brand new pin board. Whoops! My goodness, throwing pins. Like I might have mentioned, these were from a mystery set, and we have several different ones. I'll just let you take a look. We have Closed Cape Stitch right here. We have good old Dracula Stitch. We have Stitch with a jack-o'-lantern, and the jack-o'-lantern, the eyes actually glow. Super cool. We also have Skeleton Stitch. And this one, I was really hoping that his little bones also would glow like the pumpkin, but they don't. That's okay. Super cute still. We also have Devil Stitch. And the last one is Broom. We call him Broomstick Stitch, but I guess he's Witch Stitch. All of them are super cute and are gonna look great on our brand new Spooky Mickey pin board. All right, friends, the pin board is dry. I've added the stitch pins. You ready to see it? Here we go. All right, we've got Jack-o'-lantern Mickey up here at the top, looking so spooky. And then, of course, we've got all of the stitch pins on there, and they are looking adorable on that purple. I think that was the right color for this. Thank you to a few of my friends that weighed in on the design, and I really appreciate it. I think it came out really nice, and it's going to look really cute once we convert our background to a spooky but fun background. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this DIY Spooky Mickey Halloween pin board. I'm hoping to do this on the regular with each season or holiday, so be sure to tune in for that. As you saw on the pin board, there is plenty of room for more Halloween pins. It's a good thing because we have some coming in the mail and I can't wait to add them. Be sure to tune in on Monday when we reveal those new pins. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you are alerted every time we post more joyful content. We'll see you real soon. Bye!